Hello, lovely people. You are welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for being part of this channel. Today's menu is on cauliflower jollof rice with some vegan meat. This is awesome. Add some stir-fry vegetables to it. So this is vegan keto diet. You can still be a vegan or a vegetarian and still practice keto diet. Subscribe, like, and share the video. And so let's look at the ingredients we are going to use. We are going to use this beautiful cauliflower. We'll chop them to make it cauliflower rice. We are going to use a mixture of garlic, onion, ginger, and pepper. Then we are also going to make use of 2 medium size of tomatoes and 1 medium size of onions, coconut oil, black and white pepper, and my sauce seasoning, that is stew seasoning, a mixture of red and green bell pepper, a medium size of onion, half medium size of carrot, and some sliced cabbage for our stir fry. So we are going to chop this cauliflower into our food processor and then use the food processor to get it into a cauliflower rice. Then we'll use it for our recipe. So you enjoy this. It tastes so real, the taste, that everything is nice. So it doesn't matter whether you're a vegan or a vegetarian, you can be on keto. And even if you're not a vegan or a vegetarian, just give this a try and you will not regret it at all. So we are cleaning. It is necessary to clean while you cook. Okay. And so this is our cauliflower. We are going to chop it to get it into a rice form, and this is it, our cauliflower rice. We are going to pour it into our plate and then we are going to set it aside. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like the video, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to click on the notification bell also. Okay, so we have 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in the pan. Just added our mixture, blended mixture, to it. We are going to allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes. Then we'll add our tomatoes to it. So we are going to give it a stir again. Yes. And at this point, you are going to add sliced or chopped tomatoes also to it. You are going to cook this stew 100%. Unlike our carbohydrate rice, unlike our usual jollof rice, you don't really have to cook the stew 100%. This, we are going to cook it 100%. Just a little water to help it cook very, very well. Okay, then I'm going to cover and allow it to cook well. Okay, so this is our stew. The water is almost dried. It's getting dry. And so at this point, we are going to add our seasoning black pepper to it. We are going to add some white pepper also to it. A quarter teaspoon will be okay. And I added my stew seasoning to it. So stirring everything. Then you add your salt also to it. I added salt to it, but it didn't show in the camera. I'm going to add my onions also to it. And then the next thing we are going to do is, the stew is ready, so it's too much for my jollof, and so I'll just take some off, and then the rest I'm going to use it. If I pour in my cauliflower rice and it's too dry for me, I'll add a bit of the stew. So you can see this stew, I've cooked it 100%. This one, you don't need to add water to it and add the rice and allow it to cook for the water to dry. No, this is not carbohydrate rice. This does not contain any starch. So we just added our cauliflower rice to it. We are going to mix everything together, and I feel it is too dry for me, and so I'll add some of the stew to it. I'll add more to it. I'll cook it a bit, and then I'm going to add stew to it again, so that yes, I added some. I'm mixing everything together. Then I will stir very well and cover it on a medium heat and allow it to simmer and cook very, very well. This is great. Give this a try and you'll love it. And so our cauliflower jollof rice is ready. And so this time we are going to put the fire off and we are going to fry our vegan meat. I have a recipe on how to prepare this vegan meat, so check the description box for a link to watch it. Okay, so we are going to fry it. We have our coconut oil on fire. It is warm and we are going to fry it. This meat, you have to try it to know that it is so real. It is so great. And so I later added another one to it to make it 3. Yes, oil dough. Just give it a try. Even if you are not a vegetarian, try this. At least once a while, stay away from meat and fish and eat plant-based products. So our meat is ready and we are taking it out of the oil. So this is our meat. Hey, oil dough, it is so great. It is sumptuous and awesome. I have 1 tablespoon of oil in my pan. We are going to do our stir fry now. And the first I'm going to put in is my carrot because it's hard. And so I'll put it in first. Stir it for 30 seconds and that'll be okay. Then I'll add the other vegetables to it and stir everything together. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share the video, and also click on the notification bell. It helps you to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so stir everything together and I'm going to add some salt solution to it, about 2 tablespoons of salt solution. And then I'm also going to add, yes, so this is not even up to 4 tablespoons. So instead of 2 tablespoons, it's actually 1 tablespoon of salt solution. Okay, stir everything together. And we're going to add some black pepper and white pepper. And with this, my black pepper got out of my hand and a lot. The quantity I wanted to use, this was too much for me. But hey, it was still okay. The taste was okay. Don't copy this method though. Always use tablespoon to measure it so you don't get more than necessary in your food. So I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning, just a 1/4 teaspoon of it to it. You don't need much of the spices in it, just a little, and that is okay. So stir fry for another 30 seconds. And this is so okay for us to serve with our jollof rice and our vegan meat. You see, this is awesome. You enjoy it. Look at the cauliflower jollof. It's so real. It looks like you use actual rice to prepare this. But hey, this is cauliflower vegetables. So everything you are eating there is purely vegetables. And so if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you can still be on keto. And even if you're not a vegetarian, you can give this a try. Even if you're not on a keto diet, once a while, try and eat something like this. Just change your diet a bit and give yourself a special treat. You can even add this to your carbohydrate food like rice, and it's so good. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like this video for me. Share this video. Leave a comment. Try this recipe and let me know how it went for you. The taste, especially the meat, in fact, everything there tastes so great. Watch out for another vegan recipe. Bye-bye.
Semi-shred